Hi, I'm Chanda Rai Singhani, a resident of Antara, Dehradun. And this exercise that I have been requested to do is actually something all of us need to be doing as individuals and as organizations. A review, a kind of a self-reflection that how did we actually fare during the pandemic. And I think that's what I'm mentioning about Antara, how I feel it fared during pandemic, especially in the second wave. Second wave, of course, there was a complete lockdown. Apart from that, I think the residents this time were really had far more anxiety and worry when we were hearing bad news about our friends and the conditions that were taking place with so many cases of COVID, Delhi itself and Mumbai recording new cases every day, so many deaths that were taking place. So there were challenges, certainly in the second wave. A, because of the mindset which we ourselves were living with. However, Antara has really spoiled us with the facilities of the gym and the Avika lunch and the theatre and activities, and all these were closed down according to the rules and processes of the state government. So what came actually, how did we manage to overcome these challenges was there's a hardware and the software. So hardware, I would say, is the facilities. What came to our aid was the software of Antara, which is a fantastic view, the mountains, the birds, the twitter of the birds, the fabulous weather, the clean air, and when we go on those walks, actually seeing how nature is healing itself and how we are helping to heal the nature, and most importantly, nature in its purest, most pristine form was healing us. So I think our challenges went because of the software of Antara. Now when I think of this period and how did Antara step in to, let's say, take care of us, I would say that they stepped in various ways. Like they have a runner service which really stepped up, so all our daily needs, they were being met with. We were even sending last minute information for some requirement that we wanted at home. But there was never a refusal, not even a polite one. Things like at the gate, all our packages coming there, everything being sanitized there for 24 hours. Before it came to our homes, normally in other places we are sanitizing things ourselves. So the team stepped up with a complete, in fact they were short-staffed, but I think it was absolutely amazing how they managed. And I would say in this, I would say number one, how they stepped up was their meals. Avika was closed. They had to give home delivery to that many people and that many meals a day. I think it was done excellently. We have all our meals at Avika. So I don't even recall one incident of a wrong order or something which took too long or something which did not come well packed, not hygienically packed. And service was there, always buffed. But I think meals were really taken care of, and that's basically the daily needs of people. It was amazing how it was done. Other factors like the safety protocol of Antara, yes, I would like to congratulate them there. The Aragya Setu has not stopped since I think 1.25 years while we are here, and everybody is thoroughly checked. Nobody is let off. The temperature checking over there. Camps for RT-PCR was held over here for residents who wish to have their testing done. I think it was done twice. Even vaccination facilities at Vana were organized. We used to have a very, very communicative and a very lucid update on the state government's rules, regulations, notifications that were coming up. So we were completely notified about those kind of things. Other smaller issues like be it sanitizers, even our concierges. The concierge would remind us, wear your mask, madam. So little things like that too were pretty well taken off. Yes, most impressive was that a room was provided even for isolation. So the safety protocol, I would say, was very healthy and satisfying. The team at Antara, I would say, has always been very caring, empathetic, and I would say cheerful. You know, what happened was, more than the residents, it was actually the team, the support staff, everyone who actually got COVID. Now, I can well understand behind the scenes the kind of panic there must have been, the kind of anguish, the kind of anxiety that they all must have gone through, but we never saw it. Believe you me, not a resident saw it. We didn't even get a whiff of it. We never saw nervous faces. We never saw a careless whisper which was disturbing for the residents. We were not allowed to even get to know what was happening. There must have been smaller staff running around, fulfilling all the requests, but no panic was seen. Behind the scenes, whatever happened, but out there, the show went on well as before. So the team coped very well, and I think because the team coped well and because they were confident and because they were cheerful and because they were smiling, I think the residents must have been very, very reassured. And certainly in a place like this, like we have here, senior living, the senior citizens must have definitely felt good, because I mean, literally what was created here was a bubble and a la-la land. And I would like to say that even the first time we created a bubble of 90 people, and how to create that bubble must have been a nightmare for this team over here. But yes, as I mentioned earlier, it was La La Land. Everyone, I think my sons told me that, Mom, you are in the safest place in the world. When they heard about what we were doing, how things were being taken care of, how our needs were being met. Even when our activities had stopped, we had these online games and online activities, napkin folding, where the residents are taking pictures and sending it, and a little prize being given to everyone. So the entertainment did carry on, Sudoku, everything was happening in the virtual world and online. So my children said that yes, you are in the best place in the world. And my friends, as I always, another thing which I would like to mention here is that inadvertently, like Antara is always known to have food or give out their meals with a lot of immunity boosting meals. And I think that came to our aid, because that's what we were eating this entire time. And I'm sure our health, etc., improved, not because only of the fine weather and the pure air, but because of the meals that were being provided here. So all in all, as I mentioned earlier, this is like a report card which all of us need to do. And as far as Antara is concerned, I would say I would take all the boxes in the report card and I would sign it as well passed. They have certainly passed that test. Thank you.